Good afternoon. My future graduation day. I am preparing for my graduation. I am going to be with my family. This day is great. My husband and my children are happy and they are preparing a break. Is for celebrating my graduation after the birthday fest. We are going to the ceremony. They are doing the tie for me, and I am very intrigued to know what having for me. At 7 o'clock at the morning, I have going to the beauty salon of my sister. She is going to put me beautiful for my graduation. Then I going to my university because our day is going to develop the ceremony of graduation today at 9 o'clock at morning. My, my graduation is going to develop in Tunja, and after this my family and going to at the restaurant of my husband to celebrating my graduation with others no people. I am going to eat the delicious lunch with they too after continuing dancing at the rhythm of the music. My husband prepared the lunch with her sister, her mother, and the whole is very delicious. They prepared meat at bistec, rice with noodles, fried friend, and the salt. Don't lack. After the lunch, we will go off the cinema with my husband and my children for going to celebrating bit with my graduation. Days after my family and I will travel to Cartagena for the vacations. They think that I are reading graduation and those days we will very happy and united. I will wait word thanks of my title because in more is wearing by having my title of graduating. Thank you.